Nina.
And I'm Advika, and we
go
go to Dubai College.
Today we're going to be investigating the science behind slime.
To make slime, you will need baking soda, borax, shaving cream and PVA glue. To make slime, pour some glue, shaving cream and baking soda into a bowl. The shaving cream makes the slime more fun to play with, and the baking soda helps the borax to react. As borax is banned where we live, we are going to use contact lens solution. This contains sodium borate, and so it will be used to activate the slime. Polymer is a large chain of molecules made up of smaller units which repeat each other. The polymer in the glue helps it to be poured. When we add the borax powder or solution to our polyvinyl alcohol glue, the borax ion reacts with the polymer, forming slime. Borax solution has a pH of about 9. The scientific names for borax are sodium borate, sodium tetraborate, and disodium tetraborate. Just keep adding the borax solution or contact lens solution into your slime until it is no longer sticky. Then you can begin kneading it and you'll have slime. We tried various different attempts that failed, so we thought we would explain why. Firstly, we tried Omo detergent powder, but because it's banned in the United Kingdom and United Arab Emirates, detergent companies changed the formula to formulas that don't have borax inside of them. Next, we tried boric acid. You can find this in most pharmacies, however this didn't work because the borax ion is surrounded by 3 oxygen and 3 hydrogen atoms. The oxygen atoms are not bonded, however the hydrogens are, and so it will not dissolve in water and therefore can't react with the polymer in the glue. Finally, we tried sodium borate. This dissolves in water. This is because it has 3 oxygen ions surrounding the borax ion. However, they can be separated and therefore it can be dissolved and can react with the polymer in the glue.